My cat just went to sleep, and we just gave him a shower, a bath. You can see probably his hair maybe wet a little bit. He just moved. Let's turn him around. His tail. Oh, I think he's cold. Oopsie. Chubby? Oh, by the way, his name is Chubby. Chubby? Chubby. Say hi, baby. Hi. Okay.